You searched for how to buy shares of Severstal PAO. Severstal is an integrated steel and mining company, and it trades on the London Stock Exchange, LSE PLC, under the ticker SVSTL.L. This video is educational only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will normally need to verify your account with an identity document, and then add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker SVSTL.L to find the listing. Make sure you select the Severstal PAO share that is listed on the London Stock Exchange. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, market LSE PLC, and ticker SVSTL.L so you are on the correct stock page. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Choose the amount you want to invest and review the order details. Confirm the order only after checking the price and fees. If the market is closed, the platform may allow you to place a pending order or execute at next open. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to follow the same steps.